Was thinking of this when she recorded that song. If you can remember this, come on, get your hands together with me. Miss Natalie Cole left us this one. Come on. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Hey. This will be an everlasting love, and this will be the one I've waited for, and this will be the first time anyone is to be. I'm so glad you found me in time, and I'm so glad that you rectified my mind, and this will be an everlasting love for me. Oh, loving you is something I wanted for, because you've shown me just how much you care. Giving me the thrill of a lifetime and made me believe you've got more Christmas. This will be an everlasting love. Yes, it will now. Brought a lot of sunshine into my life. You fill me with happiness that I never knew. You brought me more joy than I ever dreamed of. And no one can take the place of you. This will be you and me. Yes, sirree. Eternally. Hugging and kissing and kissing and pleasing together forever, forever, whatever. Yeah. You and me. So long as I'm living true love, I'll be giving to you. I'll be serving, 'cause you're so deserving. You're so deserving. You're so deserving, yeah. Whoa. To love, to love, to love, to love, to love, to love, no. To love, to love, to love, to love, to love, to love, no. From now on, yes, from now on. 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 From now on, yes, from now on.
She represented our nation with grace and confidence in India, earning a place in the top 10 for the Americas and finishing top 40 overall among the world's best. Tonight, as she takes her final walk, we celebrate her service, her strength, and the legacy she leaves behind. Ladies and gentlemen, please show your appreciation for Taj Bennett.
My journey with Miss Jamaica World began last year. 2 years later, I came back with a new passion and an aligned vision to use my voice to make a difference. This crown has walked with me through a year of growth, purpose, and becoming. It taught me being a true queen is not about standing above, but standing with others, listening, learning, serving with love. And today I stand here with a purpose stronger than the day I began. Every experience, every conversation, every community embrace reminded me that this role is not worn, it is lived. I have been shaped by the stories shared with me, by the resilience of our people, and by the quiet moments that asked me to grow beyond fear and become a beacon of hope for every woman and young girl, reminding them that their lights need no permission to shine. To my mother and my grandmother, thank you for grounding me in love, resilience, and faith. I will continue to carry our legacy with pride and honor. To the Miss Jamaica World Organization, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for trusting my voice and allowing me to represent this title with authenticity and purpose. To everyone who makes up my support system, Thank you for being the voices that reminded me time and time again that I could push a little further even when the road felt heavy. To Jamaica, thank you for accepting me with open arms and allowing me to wave our flag with pride both at home and on the world stage. And to the next queen, may you wear this crown with grace, lead with courage, and serve with love. May you always remember that the crown does not define you, you define the crown. And while this may be the end of my journey as Miss Jamaica World, it is only the beginning of great things to come, fixing one crown at a time.
Ladies and gentlemen, Taj Bennett, who represented us so well, we say thank you on behalf of every Jamaican. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up to the Queen in our Miss Earth Jamaica 2025, Brianna Foster. Our second runner-up to the Queen in our Miss Earth Jamaica 2025. Come on, show your love for this second runner-up queen to the Queen. Our Miss Earth Jamaica 2025. She'll be representing us. Congratulations to you, Brianna. Excellently done. Anybody in the audience happy for her? Okay, just checking.
But I was just a little bit late.
Wow. You see her reaction just now. She could not believe it. She's grateful. And we say congratulations to her. Hard work pays off. Our second runner-up. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have another presentation from UNICEF for Brianna. Thank you so much. As we move to our first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, who do you think it is, our first runner-up? Oh, you have no names? I have one for you. Our first runner-up will also represent us as Miss International Jamaica 2025. And our first runner-up is Asia Wright. Asia Wright, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up and Miss International Jamaica. Can I hear Asia supporters, please? That's what we're talking about. The Queen is overwhelmed, and we can understand why. She represent us. She is Miss International Jamaica 2025, our first runner-up.
I remember the times when we...
Wow. And she'll be receiving a number of prizes. We have another special presentation from UNICEF again. Come on, put your hands together once more for our first runner-up, Asia Wright. Congratulations to you. Wow. So much went into tonight. And here she is standing on this stage, first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It's the moment that we have been waiting for, and the moment that these ladies have been working so hard to get to. My only question is, who is the winner? I can't hear you. Who's the winner? Jamaica College, I'm asking, who is your winner? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jamaica World 2025 is Nivea Allen. Our Miss Jamaica World 2025. Nivea Allen, put your hands together.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So
congratulations to you.
Agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the break.
Nivea Allen walks away with the crown as Miss Jamaica World 2025. Wow.
I'm gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause if
congratulations, Jamaica. We have a new queen.
the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than
Can I hear him? Support us, please. This is the time you make some noise. As she's crowned and awarded. Ladies and gentlemen, walking in her crown, our Miss Jamaica World 2025. Wow. Nivea Allen, we're inviting UNICEF back to the stage to make a presentation. Congratulations to our queen. We're inviting UNICEF back to the stage. Congratulations to all the contestants for doing a fantastic job in the competition. bumpy road, but they made it. And we say thank you so much for supporting this pageant. Thanks to all our judges. Thank you so much for your expertise in choosing our ambassadors to represent us on the world stage. Big thanks to Dahlia Harris and Weston Houghton, franchise holders for the pageant.